From this video, you will learn how $2.4 million were generated using sketches like this. My daughter was waiting for me for something. I told her to wait for me, and she took my markers and she took my board and she just drew in a couple of minutes. She doesn't know that this kind of stuff can generate millions of dollars. And I'm here to share with you just that. This channel is about how you can make money. Beginners can make money without skill, without technical knowledge, without experience, without hosting server, without website, without a mailing list, without social following. Sounds good? Let us begin. But before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, and social media contacts and everyone you know. This is the only way you can participate in our noble mission of reaching 100 million people in the next 10 years and help them learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. So we need your help with a like and a share. Go ahead, like this video and share with everyone you know. I'm going to give you step-by-step process of making $2.4 million or even more. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds good? Awesome. We do it using our software Epic. Link is in the description. And Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. What we do is we make simple videos like this with information about how to or what is, let's say, what is a sketch drawing. Can you see that? The sketch drawing, the first short video has 44 million views. Awesome, right? But for our other channels, we don't use cameras, we don't use microphones, we don't even speak, and we don't use any script because the software Epic does everything for us using artificial intelligence. We built it for us and it's free for you. Go grab it. Epic allows you to make videos without cameras. It helps you to make videos using images, links, texts. You don't need to speak if you don't like to because Epic allows you to record your own voice. At the same time, Epic converts text into natural voiceover. You might be asking, Mosh, I hate text. I don't want to type. I don't know how to write script or text. Don't worry, the artificial intelligence of Epic writes the script for you. By the way, did you see a box at the bottom of this video where text is being automatically generated as I'm speaking? This is an automatic transcription software, completely artificial intelligence based, and you can get it from the link in the description for free. This is another way we generate content from anything we say or anything we hear, and you can do it too. Also, transcription is an amazing high-paying service that you can offer to your clients and make money for free. Go ahead, get this software from the link in the description. Super cool. When we make videos, we ask our viewers to click our affiliate links or our any money link that we embedded in the description or in the comment. They click, and when they find our offer useful, they buy and we make money. Here is an example. It's the sales stats of my affiliates who promoted my products. So you see a lot of affiliates made a lot of money. All these commissions earned by my affiliates in the last 7 days. And the money came from these clicks or these people. These are the people who watched our videos that we made using Epic and clicked our links and we made money. Super cool. Now let me show you how basic sketch like this can make you money. According to our research data, hundreds of thousands of people look for how to sketch or sketch ideas on Google every single month. Example this, sketch ideas searched by 27,100 people on Google. Sketch drawing searched by 22,000 people on Google. Sketch drawing ideas, 33,000 people search on Google. And on YouTube, sketch drawing key phrase is searched 640,000 times per month. And millions of people are watching these short videos. Now, how can you start making money? Where is the $2.4 million? Now, where is the $2.4 million? Step number 1, go and watch YouTube videos. Go to Udemy, get a course like this and learn how to sketch. Make 1-minute videos as you learn. Publish them on YouTube and get views. In your videos, tell your viewers if they want to learn more, they should go to Udemy and get your course. Put your course link in the first comment of your short videos or in the description of your videos. Now, where is your course? The videos you make for YouTube Shorts, bundle them together and upload them on Udemy. This is exactly how this person or this company made a how to sketch and sketch for absolute beginners course, and they have sold to 24,013 students, and the price point is $99.99, which made them $2.4 million from a bundle of videos. So go to Udemy, look for highest rated and highest reviewed and heavily sold courses, and check what they're selling and what customers are buying. Go to the course content section and click expand all sections, and you will know exactly what they are saying, and you will see they are tiny size videos, which is the same as short videos. Yes, you can do it too using our software Epic. Not only course, but also to your YouTube viewers, you can sell over 100,000 products, sketch related products on Amazon. When you learn sketches, you can sell your sketches on Etsy. Go to Etsy and search with sketch and filter them based on top customer reviews, and you will see hundreds of people are making thousands of sales and earning millions of dollars. You can sell print on demand type offers on Etsy. For that, you need an account of Printify and connect your Etsy store with Printify. When your customers will order from Etsy store, your Printify account will get noticed. They will print it and they will ship it to your customers. So the system is pretty much hands-free. Etsy will take their cut, Printify will take their cut, and you will get your cut. And of course, you can always sell software just like us to the viewers who want to learn how to sketch. So simple. We get a lot of views from YouTube. Look at our channel analytics. We got 22,000 views in last 28 days alone. Look at 90 days, 57,000 views in last 90 days. Now let's go back to 28 days and look at the shorts feed, 12.7%. This traffic, these views came directly from YouTube because we are publishing short, and our shorts are under 1 minute long. Of course, they're getting good number of views. We do absolutely no promotion whatsoever for our shorts. All these views are coming from directly YouTube, and we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical to create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want, click the text generator, paste it right here, use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add, and your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more videos section. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the back. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube, 100% free. This is a 1 minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and make sure you share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, you're helping us reach our goal of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. And your friends and family will love you for that. They will follow you and they will become your first customers and clients. That's how we make money, and you can make money too. Go ahead, hit like, share, and subscribe. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.